How to view OKRs from the user profile and team profile pages in UpRaise. On my screen here, I've already navigated to the Browse OKRs page. Within UpRaise, there is this concept of user profile and team profile pages. These pages allow you to look at a specific set of OKRs. Obviously, the same set of OKRs you will also be able to access on the Browse OKRs screen, Browse OKRs page. However, it is always easier to look at a user-specific and a team-specific OKRs from the corresponding profile pages. So let's first look at the user profile page. I'll click on this name here, and that will lead me to the user profile page. There are multiple tabs on the user profile page, one of which is objectives and key results. On this tab, there are three buckets: active, scheduled, and past. So it's pretty evident what this tab does. It lists out all the currently active OKRs in the first bucket, all the upcoming OKRs for this given user in the scheduled bucket, and all the past OKRs, all the OKRs that have already exceeded their due dates in the past bucket. However, let's understand this in a bit more detail. Now, when it comes to the concept of ownership, it's important to know that this user for which I'm looking for whose profile I'm looking at may be an owner in one of the key results, one or more of the key results, as well as the objective. So for example, although in here I own the objectives as well as the key results, if I were to scroll down and let's say pull up something else, I might find an objective that is owned by someone else, but it is showing up here because the key result belongs to me. So the overall idea is here you will be able to spot all the OKRs where or the given user is owner either on the objective or on the key results or both, right? Then the concept of active, scheduled, and past is also simply based on the due dates of the objectives. So for example, all these three have a due date of 31st March. So right up until 31st of March, they'll appear in the active bucket, but from 1st of April, they'll move down to the past bucket. If I were to look at a team profile, so let's say if I were to open up the marketing team's profile page and navigate to the objectives and key results tab, here as well, I'll find the same set of actions, the same set of buckets rather. There is an active bucket, there is a scheduled bucket, and then there is the past bucket. Here as well, the difference is, obviously we are looking at a team profile. So only the team level objectives are being displayed in here. Now, the ownership of these objectives does not matter because what the system does is it pulls up only those objectives that belong to the team whose profile you are looking at. So all of these team level objectives, irrespective of who owns them, they'll appear here because they have been defined for the marketing team. Active, scheduled, and past. Right now, these are the three buckets that are available on both user profile as well as team profile pages. I hope that was helpful. Thank you.